Yo, what it do, everybody? It's me, Pow, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be helping my friend Raul spotting at Irwindale Speedway for Drift League Round 2. First, I'm going to go to Stater Brothers and grab some snacks for us. Just arrived at Stater Brothers. I've been instructed to get cookies, chips, Gatorade, and whatever I want. So, thanks Raul in advance. Thanks for telling me I can get whatever I want. Alright, let's go shopping. Oh, whoops. Just finished up at Stater Brothers. I'm on the way to Irwindale now. I didn't spend too much, spent like 35 bucks, so Raul won't be spending too much to pay me back. So yeah, it's about a 45-minute drive, so I'll see you guys when I get to the track. Just got to Irwindale, paid for parking. I'm just waiting for Raul to, I think they're in a driver's meeting, so he has my hard card for spotting. Just gotta wait for him to come up, and then we'll be good to go inside. Uh-oh. So we just got done with first practice session. Raul was able to take 3 laps. I think he's having issues with like coil packs or something, or also like transmission problems too. So I'm walking back right now. The spotter stand is like at the top there, so it's a long walk for me. But yeah, we're gonna see and figure out what's going on. All right. Let's go back to the car. Let's go find Raul and see what issues he was having. So what's wrong with the car?
So we don't know yet. We have a few remnants going on. We think it might be spark plugs. Hopefully that's the case. Either spark plugs or coil packs. But we're finding some little, I don't know, some bugging up in third gear. So that kind of is messing us up. So we'll see. That's a nice camera. Hero 5.
It's an old GoPro.
The thing is crazy.
But it's just the case that makes it crazy.
Dang.
Yep. Samsonus.
I wish it was the full thing.
Transmission.
Not just a
I
shifter.
know. If only we had 10,000 laying around.
That's what he does. What he has.
I know.
He
I
has
know.
a full Samsung.
I know.
Wait for them to make a run. So after the next run,
Cast the couch.
oh no.
So, just to update you guys, lots of shit has happened. Basically, Raul, something on the throttle body broke, so me and Raul had to go to his house to pick one up. He missed his first qualifying run, so now he'll be doing his second, and he's up in like 2 minutes, so let's hope he does well. All he needs to do is put a score on the board. How do you feel, Raul?
Bro, I feel super pumped. We made it to the show.
1 lap only.
1 lap only.
It's your first one.
Yep. We got qualified 9 of 16 drivers. Oh, actually, no, 21 drivers.
Oh, yeah.
Which is amazing. On literally barely any practices because we were messing with the car the whole morning.
Yeah. And who are you going against?
I'm going against Susan. So the only female competitor, she's good. She's super solid. She's super consistent, which is amazing. She's just a little bit slower than I am. So it's going to be very tricky for me to just, you know, be with her without ramming her.
Yeah.
No pun intended.
Yep. It's harder to follow a slower person with a fast car.
Exactly.
Right?
So, but right now it's super cool. I'm beyond excited, and you know that's exactly what it is.
Cool.
I am pumped.
Cool. All right.
Yeah.
See ya. Top 16 introductions about to start. This is when it's super exciting. Cars line up. The homie Aaron. Test your mic. Yeah. They're lined up, just waiting to be sent out. Bro, got this. And they're off. Raul just won this battle. Hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
How do you feel?
Amazing.
Who you got next?
We got John Schaefer next, which is the #1 qualifier. He's a freaking fantastic driver. So super pumped. This is gonna be a good battle. I believe so. It's gonna be sick. I'm gonna try to get close to him.
Changing tires.
Yeah, buddy. Thanks, bro. So, can I come over?
My buddy Raul got eliminated in his top 8 battle. He did really good. I'm super proud of him. Went against the #1 qualifier, John Schaefer. But I just wanted to mention my my boy Melton. Just made it into top 4. He beat out Micah. The crew is pumped right now. Melton. Fuck yeah.
Thank you, sir. You're going up here against the winner of this battle, so you should be watching right now. You!
I'll see ya.